Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS Prelims High Yielding Series for Prelims 2020, and the topic for today's video is Indo-Nepal issue, that is the border issue. So recently Nepal has released their new political map, and in this particular map they have claimed 3 territories which were disputed and which are a part of Indian state of Uttarakhand. They are Kalapani, Limpiadhura and Lipu Lake. So please remember the names of these particular places because they are very important for our preliminary examination. As you can see in this map, these areas are very much a part of our own territory. That is the reason this is very controversial. So if you take a look at this map, the Kalapani region derives its name from the river Kali. So Nepal's claim to the region are based on this particular river. The river became the marker of the boundary of the Kingdom of Nepal by a treaty called Treaty of Sugauli. So this particular treaty was signed between the Gurkha rulers of Kathmandu and English. So this Anglo-Nepal War, which happened in 1814, was followed up with this particular treaty. Now, according to this treaty, Nepal lost the kingdoms of Kumaon and Garhwal in the west and Sikkim in the east. Even the king of Nepal gave up his claims over the region to the west of river Kali, which originates in the high Himalayas and flows into the Great Plains of Indian subcontinent. Now, according to the treaty, the British rulers recognized Nepal's right to the region that fell in the east of this particular river Kali. So here lies the historic origin of the dispute. Now according to Nepal's expert, the east of Kali river should begin at the source of the river. So the source according to them is in the mountains near this particular area called Limpiadhura, which is higher in altitude than the rest of the river's flow. Now Nepal's claim that a landmass high in the mountains that falls on the east of the entire stretch, starting from Lampiudhura and everything downwards, is theirs. So India on the other hand says that the border begins at this region called the Kalapani, which India says is where the river begins. The dispute is mainly because of the varying interpretation of the origin of this river Kali. So this is the problem about. Now why is this issue so important? Now in the aftermath of the Galwan crisis, that is, so this is about the Indo-Chinese tensions that we have seen in the region called Aksai Chin and the border called line of actual control. It is important to understand that after the 2015 Nepal earthquake, which was followed up with a lockdown imposed by the Indian government in the form of a blockade to avoid all sorts of goods from reaching to Nepal. Nepal from that point of time has been inclined towards China. So this particular border issue can be looked through the lens of Chinese influence. Otherwise, India and Nepal has a shared cultural history, and even to the present day, a lot of Nepali population resides well within our boundary and move across the borders without much hassles. So that shared cultural history would be disturbed if this political tensions take an ugly turn. Now, please try to answer this question: which of the following is not a border issue with respect to India and Nepal? Now, please have a look at this and answer the question. Even Lipu Lake is one such disputed area. But what about this Daulat Beg Oldi? This is in Ladakh. So, why is this important and what is its relation with Galwan face off with the Chinese army? Please comment in the comment section below. Also, recently the government announced that they would be finishing a road construction in this area, and they've also directed the border roads organization to complete this construction as soon as possible. What is this about? Please comment in the comment section below. Now, regarding the previous video about Gilgit Baltistan, please watch that video and try to answer this question after watching that. Post your answers in the comment section below. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for more such videos.